Hey guys, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I come back with another video how to install Windows 11 or upgrade your computer or upgrade the Windows. So first you have to go. Hey guys, welcome to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I'll show you how to download and install Windows 11. You know guys, now is released Windows 11 new, and today I'll show you how to update the Windows 11. So I have Windows 10. You can see I have here is the Windows 10 version. So home single language, this is Windows 10 original, and now I will give you the link in description. You can download from this link the Windows, and I have this Windows download already. So guys, here is the download link in the description. Just copy the link and open an internet browser, and you can paste here the link, and you can see here is the download link, direct link to and Google Drive 2 and Mega 1. So you just click here and see it is start downloading. So I have already download, and if you want to make a USB bootable device, so this software is Rufus. You can download it from also in an internet browser, and you can see here is the download software. Just cancel because I have already installed it. And if you want to download the VirtualBox, you want to install Windows 11 with your VirtualBox, you just copy the link and paste, and you can see here is the VirtualBox is download, and here is the Windows host. You see I have already downloaded, and you can also download it from this website. So guys, after finish download, you see this the link, and just mount it and go to the setup, and yes, and you have to wait. And just press the next, and also you have to wait to finish this checking update. This is the easy way you can install Windows 11 on your laptop or computer before have Windows 10 or Windows any other version. So guys, just press the accept, and have to take times for checking this update. It's 100% complete, and wait until finish this. And see guys, my laptop is Core i7, is 6th generation, and this RAM is 16 GB. You can see here. So I hope this laptop is Windows 11 will work is very good. And guys, if you have the message like this, just press the OK. And okay guys, you can see this option keeps all the files and folder and Windows home language. And now you can see here is the install button. Just click it, install, and guys, you can see now is installing Windows 10 on this system. Is starting 1%, 2%, and it will be complete, and then you can see Windows 11 is downloaded and installed on your system. So just wait and see full video. And guys, see is 8% is complete. Guys, you see 23% is complete. Guys, 74% complete. And opening the Windows, and it's taking update. Is take 15 minutes or 20 minutes, is depend on your computer speed. So wait and see. You can see guys, it's taking upgrade. And guys, you see 52% is complete. So see guys, 73% complete. See guys, 86% complete. Okay guys, you can see it's finally done. Now I will restart. In this processing, you do not turn off your laptop or computer, otherwise you will lose your file, you will be damage your Windows. So don't turn off or do not remove the power cable. So wait and see how to finish. And guys, finally you see the Windows 11 is on. And see guys, here is the Windows 11. And guys, you can change the wallpaper whatever you want. You can see here the logo, here is the start bar, and here is the cool looks, the apps and icons, and you can see here documents download fixture, and here is the storage. The C drive is the external hard drive, and see how cool looks this Windows 11, and all the settings is look like before. And you can change here the wallpaper. This is the cool wallpaper for Windows 11, and guys, looks beautiful. Wow, so cool looks. See, all the apps is look different. So guys, in this way you can install or upgrade the Windows 11 on your system, on your computer. If your Windows is original Windows 10, so you can upgrade is Windows 11, and it is look very cool. And this same Windows 11 single language, it was the original Windows my laptop, and it still is working very good. So thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video, and I will keep the description link for download the Windows ISO file and reviews and VirtualBox. Also another way you can install the VirtualBox, the Windows 11. So watch my next video how to install Windows 11 on the VirtualBox. So thank you guys, please stay with me and support me. Thank you so much.